Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create shutdown shortcut button in Windows desktop. So let's start it. At first, open your desktop. Now you can see then I show the home page. Now desktop. Now click from create shutdown button. Now click from mouse right button. Now click from new option and select from shortcut. Now select from new interface. Now type from shutdown space s minus space minus s space minus t space 0. Now click from next option. Now click finish. That it's I can see then shutdown button in from the change the logo in the icon. Now click on change icon option. Now click from OK. Now select from shutdown icon. Now click OK. Then again click OK. That it's. Now I can see create shutdown shortcut button in desktop is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.